guys, today I want to give you an update on our construction build in the Dominion. It's a 24,000 gross square foot modern home. So come on in. So one of my favorite features is the imported tile from Italy. It is a textured tile that we hand selected for our client. Some other things that are happening right now are interior trim, finishing of the pool, and koi pond. So contact us today to build your dream home. We are installing all of the tile. This pool is a 3-tiered pool. We're gonna have fire bowls. We're gonna be plastering the pool next week. We're gonna be adding concrete pavers that are gonna be in the shade of gray. So follow us and stay tuned for our next construction update.